Wow. I just got a $12,000 bonus at my first job. I'm putting $8,000 into my Roth IRA and not touching it until I'm 65. Let's see what happens. I also got a $12,000 bonus, but I'm using it to go on vacation. I mean, you only live once, right? I have plenty of time to start saving later. I've been putting $1,500 a year into my Roth IRA since then. How's your retirement plan going? I haven't added anything since that $8,500 when I was 21. Let's see where we're at. Wait, my Roth IRA is worth $210,000? All from that one-time contribution? Yep. Thanks to compound interest and time, your $8,500 turned into $210,000 tax-free. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start early, invest wisely, and let your money grow. Subscribe for more money tips. Don't wait, your future self will thank you.